Clapping improves blood circulation. It regulates blood pressure and blood sugar, helps in reducing cholesterol. Hello, divine souls. Divinity in me greets divinity in you. Clapping, an expression of joy, happy moments, and much more. Clapping can be used as a therapy, which is excellent for well being. In this session, we are going to do clapping therapy. Clapping, concept based on the Ayurvedic science and traditional Chinese medicine. Traditional Chinese medicine practitioners believe there are more than 2000 acupuncture points in the human body, and 29 of these points are within the hands itself. Clapping is the easiest way to stimulate these points, as these points are sensitive to pressure. When we stimulate these points with clapping, it directs the flow of oxygen and blood to the organs corresponding to these points. Regular clapping practice improves not only physical health but also mental well being. After clapping, you can feel the flow of energy within the body. Clapping therapy is therefore a powerful mental stimulant. Before we proceed with the clapping therapy session, I would like to share its benefits and precautions. Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine state many benefits of clapping. Clapping is an effective therapy for stress reduction. When we clap, it enhances the flow of oxygen. Efficiency of the lungs increases to absorb more oxygen. As clapping enhances the flow of blood, it gives warmth to your hands as well as feet. If the body's hands and feet tend to be cold, clapping gives the warmth. Clapping improves blood circulation. It regulates blood pressure and blood sugar, helps in reducing cholesterol, and removing blockages in veins and arteries. Clapping improves memory and concentration as the acupoint stimulates brain function and therefore improves decision making skills. Clapping releases muscle strains and helps in relieving neck and shoulder pain. It is believed the enhanced flow of blood in the body helps in hair growth and immunity. Clap your hands before studying or learning. You can do it depending on your own strength or capability. But there are some precautions to be considered if you are doing clapping as a therapy. Though it can be done for all age groups, those who are suffering with any disease or have any heart conditions, always check with your physician before starting any practice. As a beginner, start the practice with a slow and steady pace. If hand feels tired, then stop. Do not do it with bare feet. Cover your feet with socks so that the energy generated stimulates the circulation and will not get grounded. Do not eat or drink straight away after the clapping therapy. Wait for at least half an hour. Do it with moisturized hands, preferably moisturize with natural oils, for example, coconut, mustard, and olive oil. Now, how to do clapping as a therapy? We all know how to clap. Hands get pink with warmth and you may sweat. But when you clap, make sure all left hand fingertips come in contact with right hand fingertips and center of the palm meet each other. Start with a slow pace and increase the pace depending upon your strength and capability. If possible, do it till you feel the warmth in your hands or hands turn pink or as long as you are comfortable. Now, I invite you to do clapping for a minute if you are comfortable. Do it with open mind, beyond thinking, and observe a difference. Sit or stand in any comfortable position, spine erect, and clap.
1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. Clap, 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 clap.
Thank you. Now, rub your hands vigorously after clapping. Give this divine warmth to the eyes and face. Gently loosen your palms. Now, sit comfortably for a few minutes with closed eyes, if possible. Feel the vibrations in the body. Feel the flow of energy moving in your body. Feel the flow of the energy moving from the head to toe and toe to head. Enjoy this divine moment. When ready, open your eyes and thank the divine for this experience. Thank you. Clapping therapy is an effective process towards well-being. You can do it anywhere. If you work with students, if permitted, ask them to clap for a minute before lessons. There are no side effects as such, as the control is in your hands, but if you are uncomfortable, then stop. Start it with small number of clapping. Please don't overdo. Do the practice with open mind and encourage yourself to do it regularly. Include clapping in your daily routine. I strongly believe, as I witnessed, every single practice creates a positive impact as it shifts our consciousness. Love and gratitude to all. Divine blessings.